Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and in this video we're going to talk about how to start an embroidery business and the products that you're going to need. Now the first thing you're obviously going to need is an embroidery machine. So here at ColDesi we have two options. We have our Avancé 1501C, which is a 15 needle machine, and then we also have our Avancé 1201C. Now this is a 12 needle embroidery machine. But both of these machines, as you can see, have touchscreen control panels, and they're great for both retail and home-based businesses. Now you're also going to need a couple of accessories like thread and hoops. But the best thing about the Avancé is that they come to your door ready to sew on flats and caps. So what that means is both machines are going to come with a full rack of thread. They're also going to come with a set of hoops of different sizes, and they're also going to come with a cap driver so you can sew on hats. The next thing that many embroiderers need to start their business is a digitizing software. Now our Avancé machines come with a software, but a lot of our customers actually send their designs to ColDesiGraphics.com to get digitized. What a lot of people don't realize starting an embroidery business is that you're going to need help. So when you purchase a machine from ColDesi, you get our world-class training and support. The next thing you're going to need is backing. Now there's a couple different types. Right here we have cutaway and tearaway, but you're going to learn all about that in your training. And what backing is what you put under your garment when you sew, and it helps with stabilization. You're also going to need something to sew on. So there's a couple different ways that embroiderers set up their business. Some of them allow customers to bring in blanks and they'll sew on them. But what we recommend is to have a selection of blanks that you offer to your customers. That way you have some quality control on what you're sewing on. So we have a variety of blanks that are ready to be decorated on Coleman & Company. This ranges from polos to totes, jackets, towels, and so much more. Things like nippers, needles, and oil is also going to be needed for your embroidery machine's maintenance, but these all are going to come standard with the Avancé 1501C and 1201C. There's also some other supplies and accessories that you may need down the road in your embroidery business. For example, if you want to make custom patches, you'll need our patch kit. But the best thing to do is to reach out to one of our embroidery pros and they can help set up a bundle with the Avancé embroidery machine that's going to help set you up for success. Now what I love about embroidery is that unlike some of the other ways to customize goods, you don't need a lot of supplies to start an embroidery business. So if you want to learn more, visit avancé-emb.com and you can live chat with one of our pros and they'll help you get started.